We want to talk about confusion matrix. So, basically, to draw a confusion matrix, to even start, is to first of all know what is your positive class. And for this, my positive class will be woman. So, I'm expecting a woman. So, basically, we'll draw like a truth table. Let's say this is the output. Let's say this is the output. So, and this will be the venture class. Now remember, this is the output. Now this is man and woman. Forget about this class for now. That will be the end. That will come at the end. Man and woman is what is false or true. That's false. Man, true. This is true. This is true. This is false. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is false. This is true. Now, is it now positive or is it negative? Now, you look at the predicted and this is a positive class. Woman, that's positive. Man, that's negative. Woman, positive. Man. So everywhere we see man, we just put negative. So the rest will be positive. So, no. So you just know that this is FP, this is TN, this is TP, this is TN, this is FN, this is TP, this is TP as well, this is TN, this is FP, this is TP. So you can use this to create your confusion matrix. Yeah, I think in the next video I will show you the matrix itself. But I think with this we have been able to know what values are for each record.